All right. We're with Lori, a longtime partner of CI Web and many, many others. So, tell us what your thoughts are. You don't have to give a testimonial, just give your thoughts on this event, everyone that's here, and why you're here.
I started with Service Nation in 2018, and I feel like this is a family. Love the people, love networking, loving seeing the different folks I haven't seen over the years. Really good speakers, some good breakouts. I thought the panel was excellent.
It was great.
Yeah. But most of all, I'm so happy to be with CI Web because I've spent a lot of time talking with Jennifer and Mike and beautiful you. And it's just been a great experience. And as we talk to different folks, like who is the most advanced AI enabled marketing company out there, and we know we're with the right one. So that's probably been one of the best experiences. But I go back to there's so much CI Web does for the distribution center, and I remember going to a meeting at Johnstone. And I said, the minute I saw CI Web was presenting, I'm like, how come I didn't get an invite? And my territory manager never informed me. So when I found out, I showed up, and Jen was the best. She said, what do you mean the team didn't tell you? And she videotaped me saying, hey, you should have had that invitation because then this way I can keep myself up to speed with everything not only CI Web is doing, but what's going on in the industry.
Exactly. I love that. Awesome. You just pivoted and started a new company. Tell us about your journey in the last 2 years.
Well, it's not so much I'm rebuilding. Yeah, I'm rebuilding. So I still have the same company, but I have changed out many of the folks, and for all good reasons. Sometimes it's time to move on. Other times it wasn't necessarily a good fit. So I'm kind of rebuilding. We started out as a gas piping company. Then we moved into HVAC and light commercial. And then we kind of did a little bit of work in plumbing. So now we're strictly HVAC. We're doing some plumbing, and I'm working with some subcontractors, and I kind of like that model. It's been working out well for me. Just experimenting with it right now.
I think a lot of the contractors and entrepreneurs here experience the same thing of rebuilding, not necessarily like pivoting. Well, some of them are pivoting, but they're having to rebuild their process, their marketing approach. And I think this whole event has been eye-opening and such a great experience.
Well, it's been fun.
Well, that's Lori. Thank you.
You're welcome.